Hi, I'm Ashwin. This is Samsung M21 that I've gotten. Let's see what this offers out of the box. It has a few manuals included and a SIM tool. Comes with a Type C and a 15-watt fast charger. A screen protector or a back cover is not included with this box. This video is not sponsored by Samsung. The one I've ordered here is a midnight blue version of it. It also comes in a raven black color. This phone sports a Super AMOLED 6.4 inches Full HD Plus display. I guess it's time to set things up and see how it works. Let's talk about some specifications. This phone has an Exynos 9611 processor. The memory is 4 GB and 64 GB storage. Also comes in 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. A 6000 mAh battery. That's probably the best bit about this phone. It should be able to last a day and a half. The UI is in stock, but I think it's a close second. It's Samsung's very own One UI 2.0. And I like how it's designed, I like how the shapes of the buttons are, I like how minimal it looks. It's easy to get to places, easy to get to the options that you want to go to. And it's simple. The camera stack. This phone has a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera that covers a 123 degrees field of view, and a 5 megapixel camera for depth. In the front, we have a 20 megapixel camera. We're only going to find out how good these are when we put them to test. So here we go.